Looking at the help desk software scene, you might be wondering, is Intercom or Help Scout the better option for your business? In this video, I'm diving into the features, pros, cons, and my experience with both tools to help you make a more informed decision about which is the best fit for your customer support needs. Stay tuned till the end because, after testing both, I'll be revealing a better alternative you may not have considered. First things first, Intercom is a powerhouse in the customer support space. It's known for its robust chat and messaging features, making it incredibly user-friendly for teams that need instant communication with customers. You've got automated responses, live chat, and even the ability to manage messages across email, in-app, and social channels. The downside? Intercom can be pretty pricey, especially if you're a small business. If you're just starting out, you might find it a bit overkill. Next thing to consider is Help Scout. Help Scout's approach is simpler and more streamlined. It feels like a traditional help desk software with email and ticket management as its core features. It's designed with teams in mind that need to handle customer inquiries efficiently without all the extra complexity. The user interface is clean and the learning curve is minimal. But if you're expecting the cutting-edge automation features of Intercom, you might feel a bit limited here. The third thing is scalability. When it comes to growing your team, Intercom offers more advanced features that can accommodate larger businesses, such as reporting tools, custom workflows, and integrations with other platforms. On the other hand, Help Scout is much more focused on delivering a simple experience that's scalable, but with fewer bells and whistles. If you're running a growing team and need deep analytics, Intercom has the edge, but if simplicity is your priority, Help Scout is probably the better choice. Another thing worth mentioning is the pricing. Intercom's pricing model can be a bit overwhelming. They charge based on the number of users, which means as your team grows, so does the cost. Help Scout, in comparison, is much more predictable. It has a tiered pricing model based on the number of mailboxes or users you need. It's easier to plan your budget with Help Scout, especially if you have a tight margin. The fifth thing is integrations. Intercom has a huge number of integrations available with everything from CRM software to marketing tools. It's perfect if you're looking to create an all-in-one customer engagement system. Help Scout, while still offering good integrations, doesn't quite have the same range. If you're in need of a seamless integration with your entire tech stack, Intercom might be the way to go. Finally, let's talk about customer support itself. Intercom support is generally well regarded, with access to both live chat and email support. However, it's not always the fastest response time, and if you're a smaller customer, you might not feel prioritized. Help Scout, on the other hand, has a reputation for providing excellent customer service, and they even include their own built-in help desk system, making it easier to get the support you need when you need it. Now, here's the kicker. Both of these software solutions are good, but they might not be the perfect fit for every business. After testing both of them myself, I realized that there's a more tailored alternative out there for teams that are looking for a more holistic solution without breaking the bank. If you're aiming for better performance in your customer support and want a smoother experience, you might want to take advantage of the free trial of the software I'm recommending in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial available, along with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't settle for the status quo. Check it out and see if it's the right move for your team.